Hello everyone, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. First, I'm using a face primer from Zikel Cosmetics to prime my face. Foundation is from Zikel Cosmetics as well. Concealer to highlight my face. This concealer is from Adventure Makeup. I'm using another lighter shade of that, the same Adventure Makeup concealer. That eye to brighten the under eye. Next, I'm using this pressed powder from Zikel Cosmetics to set the concealer. Next, I'm using this powder palette from V Beauty Cosmetics. I'm using the dark shade to contour my cheek, my forehead. I'm using that the same shade to contour my nose as well. Do a little bit of contour on the nose. The blush I'm using is from TM Essential. Then brows. Concealer to clean up the brows. Then eyes. For eyes, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from V Beauty. Is the I Like It Hot eyeshadow palette. I'm using that dark brown shade for my eyelid, all over my eye. And I'm blending the edges using another brown shade, lighter brown shade to blend the edges. I'm using this white eyeliner pen from NYX Cosmetics for my waterline. Then I use that brown shade I use on my eyes for my under eye. I use a black eyeliner pen to line my eyes. Then mascara. Dust off the powder, clean up the face, then false lashes. Then for highlights, I'm using this Candid Glow highlighter from Younger Beauty to highlight my face. I use some for my tear dots. Then for lips, I'm using these two matte lip stain from Zikel Cosmetics. I'm using the shade Killer and Bomb. First, I use the Killer to line my lips. Then I use Bomb. Killer is a little bit darker. That is all for the leaves. This is the finished look, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you.